It is a one-liner grill for a Project EK. Hey guys, what's up? This is Bud TV giving you another episode this week, and it has been a lazy week because of work. It has been stressful and tiring. It has been, as what I've said, it has been tiring, so I wasn't able to film any videos for you guys. This week, let me just share with you this grill that I acquired probably a couple of months ago, and it is a one-liner grill for a Project EK. It obviously needs a lot of work, and it is originally painted as silver, so we really need to refurbish and do some painting on this grill before we have it installed in our car. Let me take you to my process. I'm not quite sure if I'll be finishing this one today, but hopefully we can finish the preparation so we can start with a paint job. This is the first time that I'll be trying to refurbish something which is relatively easy. The outcome would be good for the meantime, so we can, rock these grills on our car. It would give a cleaner and more aggressive look on our vehicle compared to the ones that we have right there. So let's go ahead and start doing this. Okay, so first things first, we need to disassemble the grill from the frame and remove all the badges before we can start with the preparation. Once I removed the main grill, I was able to clean it up just a little bit and start spraying the main grill with our flat black paint or our matte black paint. Once that's done, we can set it aside and start working with the outer frame. So this is where you have to put some extra work on sanding, removing the old paint and making it smooth to promote adhesion and lessen the reactions of the paint when you start putting in or spraying in your primer. After the primer, of course, you have to put on your first coat of paint and then so on and so forth. So I had some issues, but was able to fix those issues with sanding them properly. Okay, so after sanding the frame, we are good to go. As you can see, it is now smooth, and we were able to remove all the debris, the impurities, and we were able to knock off the top coat so that we can put a new layer of primer onto the frame and start with our painting process. There, let's put it in a light so you guys can see. There you go. I'll be putting on the primer and we will let it sit out for at least 1 day, and we'll go and return the following day to do the painting itself. Okay, let's go.
Alright, so after a few tries, this is what it looks like now. There was pretty much reactions on the paint, so we had to scrape it off, bare plastic, and after that we shall go ahead and put on our first coat of paint.
So we are on our first coat of paint, and if you can see, there's this minor reaction to our paint over on this side, so I don't know what to do, but let's just wait for it to dry up a little bit, and probably I just need to sand it up and repeat the process all over again just for this side. I don't see any reactions on the other sides of the frame, so I think we're all good. We'll see what happens when this one dries up, so we can put another coat of paint. Probably we'll do 3 or 4 coats and then let it dry up and sit, and maybe tomorrow we can start putting up the clear coat for this grill.
So the following day, the paint is all dried up. We can go ahead and apply our top coat or our clear coat. Make sure that you do at least 3 to 4 coats of top coat for it to be protected.
So I'm gonna show you the grill that I did and see how it looks like. So here you go. So I haven't installed the frame as of yet, and also the badge, because I'm thinking that this looks better than the ones that it has before on this one-liner grill. So I'm gonna use this instead. So I'm gonna pry it up, remove it from this old grill, and then transfer it to the one-liner grill that we have here right now. And this is the frame that we did. As you can see, you know, I think I did a pretty good job in painting. Not too good, but you know, it looks good. I don't know, but for me, of course, personally, I can't compare this to the ones that the professionals do. So this is just, you know, something that would pass in doing a DIY job. But if you're you're good in painting, then probably you can do better than I am. So I just have to put them all together, re-screw them so they can be in one piece again, and then after that we can go ahead and install them on our grill. Remove the existing grill that we have and then put them together.
So fast forward, we were able to remove our bumpers, install our newly painted and refurbished one-liner grill, and install it back on our car. Just be careful and be observant of the irregularities when it comes with the holes and the screw holes from the OEM original grill to the one-liner grill that we have, but thus it fits perfect. Buttons are all aligned, and looks pretty decent. So let's go ahead and do a quick B-roll.
Alright, so that's about it. I hope you liked the video. If you do, just give this video a thumbs up, comment down below for any questions, comments, or suggestions. Suggestions are really appreciated. Let me know what is the best or the next upgrade that we can put on our EK project, and I hope you like the one-liner grill on the car. It gives it a little bit of simplicity and the OEM-ish look that we are looking for right now. We're going to stick with that look for now until such time that we have, you know, indeed completed all the parts that we want for the car. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Bud TV. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, that's also a way for you to help the channel grow, and also for me to keep on doing videos. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon if you want to watch more car related videos, car contents, meets, and also the car feature videos that we'll be doing on the channel. We have lots of car feature videos coming soon, coming your way. I hope you would love them. And yeah, that's it for me today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. Take it easy. God bless everybody. Bud TV out.